So here we are at Drimsynie in Scotland, in Bute and Argyll, and this is the caravan we've got for this week. It's a 3-bedroomed. We're in pond at number 6. We've got an amazing view which I'll show you in a second. So the first thing I want to show you on this mobile is you can have barbecues here. Barbecues are welcome, but you have to use the barbecue slabs. Now I'm going to show you the view. Right, so take a walk inside the caravan of this one. It's a bit of a different setup, so we'll do the bedrooms first. So we have, so straight ahead in front of the door we have a twin. So yeah, pretty decent. 2 decent beds in that one. And next to it we have the other twin. And then opposite that we have the shower room. Nice clean shower room, toilet, sink. And then if we're walking from there, we have a nice double bed in here with plenty of room. As you can see, we have a little dresser here and a wardrobe. So we've got plenty of room. And then the ensuite, which is actually quite big as well, you know. For a lot of caravans, it's usually quite small. Now the living room is actually very impressive, so I'll go into there now. So this is the living area. So we've got the dining table here. So this setup's a bit different to a lot of caravans. So we have the kitchen sink unit on this side with these lovely cupboards. If you notice, Shelley, the cupboards are very much like our kitchen cupboards.
Yeah, aren't they? Yeah.
So, yeah. The cupboards here, plenty of room. There's lots of room in these cupboards. That's just got switches in there. Solar wall lamps and a few bits and pieces. Not going to go through all them drawers because there's quite a lot there. And then we have the microwave and a double oven in a unit. Lovely setup in here. And then the nice big hobs. Then we've got the living area in this lodge. And then the views. Look at those views. Absolutely amazing. So in the caravan that we've got this week, we've got a bathroom gift set. It's got some signature soap in it, some nourishing conditioner, nourishing shampoo and body wash. We also got some tea bags. We've got some coffee and some milk sachets and sugar.